Hi everyone and Mabuhay! Welcome back to another new video, and I'm very excited because today we'll be making a bulky cardigan. So I also tried dabbling a bit with the design because the designer said that we could, but I decided why not stick with the original, which was a moon face, which is designed by Sea Aliens on Instagram, aka Natalie. So be sure to check her account out and also her next few patterns because honestly, right now, the butterfly cardigan that she made is amazing. So I'm really happy that the sleeves are done. It's just simply comfy and breezy at the same time. As much as I love the idea of like big moon faces, I didn't really like the look, which is why I threw it away. So I decided to go with these really smaller appliques and arrange them like you would a moon face in a vertical version. I really was in love with the bulky sleeves, and with the color combo of my tank top, I was feeling like an ube pandesal. Oof. I was also wearing this everywhere, so it was really fun. And with that, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys had fun, and don't forget to create with a smile.